Hi, how are you? I hope you are all doing fine today. You can see a nice canvas. This is actually a solid wood block, and we're going to paint the acrylic color on top of it. The acrylic color, you can see the changes of blue and the black in the bottom here. And now we're going to take the white color and going to paint a nice, you can see the moon here, so which is going to be the shades of the white in the sky. Okay, so mostly we're going to put the white portion in the middle, and then again going to mix it up within the canvas. So sometimes we need to take the color uh, twice or thrice times because of the more shading or more thickness. So this is going to be a round shape. That's why you can see the round shape moon. Okay, so this is partially visible. All right, so some portion you can see and some portion you cannot see, but this is a white circle at the middle of the canvas. Okay, then we're going to take the black color to draw the trees which is seen in the moonlight. So you can see here. Okay, the branches just going straight through the moon. So the bottom is going to be somehow solid and wider, and the top is going to be the narrower. Okay, so that's our intention. Let's put the color once again. Okay, putting color here, and you can see the branches. Okay, and after that just putting few shapes like the clouds. You can see the points of the branches and the leaves, which is just looking nice. This is a different types of drawing. You can see the shades, the dark shades at the bottom, and on the top the shades just fading away. And also you can see the variations of the color changes, and also putting the irregular pattern on the ground just to show some bushes and the grasses and the smaller plants at the bottom. So this is different types of appearance and the presentations. So you can again take the white color just to show the birds are flying in the sky. So you can put the white birds like this one. Okay, so just draw something, the letter V of the English alphabet. So because of the rough surface, the V becomes quite challenging to draw, but this is okay. Few birds we are going to draw here. All right, so there's the one here, another one was here, and let's make it more visible. Another one you can see here. Okay, and you can see one here. And because of the night sky, you're going to put few dots just to show the stars and presence of the other astronomical objects in the sky. Okay, so this is it. It's a very simple drawing. I hope you like the video. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next videos. All right, have a good day.